Honda has upgraded its flagship hybrid sedan for 2021 by giving it a slightly updated look, better driving technology, and more safety features. In terms of design, most of the changes have been made to the car's front. The face now looks a bit more elegant and less cluttered, courtesy of a wider, restyled chrome grille that flows into the headlamp design. Altering the grille design has also allowed Honda to integrate the Honda Sensing System's radar unit more organically. The fog lamps have also been replaced with smaller, round units, and the LED headlamp's functionality has also been improved. The alloy wheel design has also been changed completely. On the inside, the upcoming Accord will make use of an 8-inch infotainment unit which will be standard across all trims. Support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will also be standard. While there are USB ports to charge phones, compatible devices can also be juiced up using the wireless charger in the cabin. All Accords also received a new rear seat reminder, while upper grades gain a new low-speed braking control system. The other highlights include leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, leather-wrapped shift knob, and an 8-speaker audio system depending on the trim. The engine lineup has been carried over from the outgoing generation, but the engine management units (EMUs) for all engines have been retuned for better accelerator response. This means the Accord Hybrid continues to be powered by the 2.0-liter inline-4 IVTEC Atkinson cycle engine that develops 212 bhp and 315 Nm of torque